keep it in mind when you're starting your website. First one will be the domain name, and second one is business email address, and third one is website building software, fourth one is website hosting, fifth is website template design, logo design, seventh one is high quality image for website, and eighth one is image editor, and ninth one is Google Analytics. Okay, so these are the 9 important user requires when you are starting up the website. And the first point, Vipul. Right. So first point is domain name. So to get a domain name, what is domain name essence? When once you start a website, obviously a domain name is most important thing to create it. So without the domain name, you can't tell anyone this is my website, this is the thing. So that you want to create with domain name only. So example, it's like a virtual address for the particular website. So www. You here you can frame anything because you're creating a website now. So you can create elvis.com or elvisjulius.com something name. His name is in prior, so I have told his name. So whatever name you like to give it, or gogreen.com, so what, or else your company name. So in going to start a business. So first and foremost thing is we have to create a domain name for it. So like popular names like GoDaddy.domain.com. So like that, whatever you want to start up, there should be a domain name for it. So this is the first point. What over this. And Weebly, this is the most easiest software to create a website. And WordPress, it's most flexible. So whatever the information you want, it's like a already the templates will be there. So you can use the particular templates, which templates it for your business or your own website, you can use according to it. So these four are the popular website builders, which you write what four builders, or you know that. Third point is website building software. So website. So these are the examples. Getting website host. So who's a host? A host is obviously it is a storage unit required for the website you will be given in that particular thing. That is known as host. A host is a storage unit where the content of your website resides. So what are the contents you want to give it for the particular website? In here only all the content will be entered here. So there are 4 types of hosting, website hosting. First one is shared hosting. Second one is VPS hosting. Third one is dedicated hosting. Fourth one is free hosting. So shared hosting essence, like you share with other website a domain. Okay, so you'll be sharing other website as a domain. That is shared hosting. VPS hosting essence, here you're also sharing a server with other site. So server also will be there, and you will be sharing with the other site also. That is known as VPS hosting. And dedicated hosting essence, it's like a all-in-one server. So all in one together you will be have. It is for whole house. You can use it particular thing. Only one particular thing will be there. That is all in one. Free hosting essence. You can drop. You can drag freely, and you can create if you see the same PPT here, you can see the down designs are there and what colors I want to create and what are the styles, font styles I want to use. Everything will be fixed here in this template, and you can fix this website templates through HTML or CSS softwares. Okay, so this is the basic for all the thing. Sixth one is logo designing. Obviously, you want to create a logo. Why you want to create a logo? Since if you create a logo and if you create a website, because if for example, I'm doing on identifying, there are so many fake logos also. You people can understand. So by seeing a logo only, I'll get a brand. It's not like a brand. So the logo is more important. Why? Because after when you can start advertising through the brand. So this is our brand, this is our logo. So you can start advertising through it. If your product is quality worth branded one, then your logo will be reached together. So like nowadays the Apple logo is very famous, or else this Zomato logo is famous. So many logos are there, na? So like that. So in what are the ways you will be creating logo? There are two types. One is option one, hire a graphic designer. So the graphic designer will create a logo and give you. Second option is you can create your own logo by using so much of softwares, and you can create your own logo. Okay, that is logo design. And seventh point is high quality image for website. Downloading a picture, the HD quality pictures are more clear than the other pictures. So the picture should be very clear, the images should be very visible, whatever the content inside it, everything should be visible. So why HD quality? I'm telling it's a high quality essence. It looks very clear, the website. If you give fuzzy pictures for a company, so you're not supposed to give the bad quality pictures. You people know how to crop, cut everything. You people are having in your, even in nowadays, even in phones have some particular softwares, and Polar, anything you can use, any of the softwares you can use to edit the particular image. And this particular, and if you see some of the softwares will accept only JPG photos. Some of the softwares will accept all the images like GIF or JPEG or BMTS. So it depends upon the software. You can download pictures and you can start editing the picture and you can start implement that image editor. And ninth one is ninth requirement is Google Analytics. So Google Analytics is here the Google will be analyzing how many numbers of visitors have visited your website. Like in one day, 100 members has visited your website. And for what purpose Yes. So
And at the end of the
So Google Analytics will be telling you, or it will be analyzing how many numbers of visitors has visited the website and how far it has been increased. Like yesterday, how many has been visited, today, how many has been increased or decreased, and what they are seeing in the particular website, what they are using in the particular website. For example, if you go inside some Myntra or something shopping app, you can find out which you have been visited more, like what kind of clothing you have been visited more. Like that, this Google Analytics